The 2023 edition of the Lexus ES 300 Hybrid continues the carmaker's tradition of excellence with its luxurious and eco-friendly hybrid sedan. Known for its stylish design and premium features, this model has been revamped with several notable enhancements. It combines luxurious comfort, cutting-edge technology, and excellent fuel efficiency, making it a standout in the competitive luxury hybrid vehicle segment. The exterior of the ES showcases a sharp aerodynamic design language that's both modern and distinctive. The signature spindle grille is flanked by slim LED headlights, and a sleek coupe-like roofline adds a touch of sportiness. The car rides on 18-inch alloy wheels which not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also contribute to its stable, smooth ride. Inside, the cabin exudes luxury and sophistication. The high-quality materials, including soft leather and real wood accents, are testament to Lexus's attention to detail. The seats are plush and supportive, providing excellent comfort even on long journeys. The cabin is also impressively quiet, thanks to the car's excellent sound insulation and active noise cancellation. In terms of technology, the ES is generously equipped. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. The Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 suite of driver assistance features comes standard, offering a comprehensive range of safety and convenience technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. Under the hood, the ES 300 Hybrid is equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine coupled with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 215 horsepower. The hybrid powertrain is mated to a continuously variable automatic transmission that ensures smooth and responsive performance. The fuel efficiency is one of the model's strong suits, with impressive EPA ratings making it a practical choice for eco-conscious drivers. The 2023 model also introduces an enhanced hybrid battery warranty, which now lasts for 10 years or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first. This warranty improvement is a welcome addition that showcases Lexus's confidence in their hybrid technology and adds to the overall value proposition of the vehicle. The trunk of the ES offers ample space, a rarity in hybrid sedans where the battery often compromises cargo volume. This spaciousness extends to the back seats, which offer plenty of legroom and headroom even for taller passengers. The car's practicality and versatility are bolstered by these generous dimensions. The 2023 Lexus ES is an attractive choice for buyers seeking a mix of luxury, efficiency, and advanced technology. Its hybrid powertrain offers excellent fuel economy without compromising performance, while the elegant interior and abundant features enhance the driving experience. The extended hybrid battery warranty and spacious interior further solidify this model as a compelling option in the luxury hybrid sedan market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.